All right, listen up. This is going to be a wild adrenaline-pumping ride. I'll shake you up, keep you on edge, and just when you think you've had enough, I'll flip the script. Brace yourself and enjoy the chaos. Double asterisk. You think this fallen tree is just a waste? Think again. This thing is insanely useful, but also absolutely terrifying. Firewood. Hit that subscribe button and smash the like. Much love to all you adrenaline junkies out there. This guy isn't just cutting a tree, he's executing a genius move. Smart, calculated, and the house is safe. Where are the real pros like this? We need more badass tree-cutting masters. Look at this tiny, adorable grass and branch trimming machine. It's like the cutest little lawn warrior. How can you not love it? Ha ha ha, green plant. This old truck with its completely shot brakes is about to unleash chaos. You won't believe what happens next. Brace yourselves. This is going to get terrifying. Truck fire eyes.
Tam çekirdeği göreceğiz bak. Bu arkada gene bak ıskar. Bu araba buraya takozlayacak.
Here, we're watching an amateur struggle to drive a truck full of wood, and the outcome is exactly what you'd expect. If you were in the driver's seat, do you think you could handle this mess? Truck explosion. All right, enough adrenaline for now, my awesome viewers. I've tossed in this epic video at the end so you can watch an excavator operator tackle stream clearing like a pro. Trust me, it's wild. Let's check out this action-packed stream cleaning and see how it's done. the wheel. Think you could handle this excavator as smoothly and perfectly as the pro? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about it. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and show some love for the hard work. Catch you on the next one. It's gonna be a blast.